विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. ब्रेस्तारा मिओ मिटींग आनी को वर्किंग सुवातेचे पाटो पणजी हांगसर मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या हस्तुकी उक्तावण जालें. गोवा स्टार्टअप आनी IT इंडस्ट्रीचेर लक्ष केंद्रीत दवरिल्ले खातीर मुखेलमंत्र्यान धेंपो ग्रुपाक परबी भेटयल्या. ह्या वेळार महसूल मंत्री जेनिफर मॉन्सेरात, उद्योजक श्रीनिवास धेंपो आनी हेर मानेस हजर आशिल्ले. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We're launching Mewo today. Mewo is a very new concept, which is basically like a work nest for a lot of companies who are based out of Mumbai to basically establish their presence in Mumbai, in Goa, right? So the idea that we're trying to generate as much employment, as much new opportunities for Goans.
Time that the Dempo Group is entering the IT sector and the startup sector. Most importantly, when I met Abrar, I was fortunate enough, the government of Goa involved me in the Startup Council, and I realized there is a great deficiency in sort of facilitating the startup culture in Goa. So while the Honorable CM, the Honorable IT Minister are very, very keen that employment should be driven through self-employment as well as activities like startup, we need more places and facilities like this. So when I met a lot of people, I liked Abrar's out-of-the-box thinking about getting not only Goan companies to set up shop here, but even outside companies who may have temporary projects. For example, a ABC company may come to Goa for 6 months, employ a few Goans, they may have temporary projects. I'm very happy to tell you that already we've signed up 2 startups. Out of that, 1 startup has already employed 8 Goans, and they are going to employ another 8 Goans in the next 1 month.
For starting the Mewo Center in our capital city, Panjim, for Srinivas Dempe, Baba, and also for his partner, Abrar, for starting this Mewo Center. I think this is one of the best center for one to start the IT business in the state of Goa. Before this, the government of Goa has provided, especially the EDC has provided this type of centers. But this is in more advanced, I mean to say. They are providing all the facilities under the one roof. And this will be give the boost for the IT sector in the state of the Goa. It is not possible for the so many people to come and to do the setup like this. So that's why some of the time there is no IT companies, they are coming to the state. But due to this, I think the more and more the foreign also and other Indian companies, they also come here and they'll start the business. Whatever the infrastructure required to do the business in the IT sectors, they are already providing in this very small space. And once really I'm congratulating, it's true. Whatever, when I see exactly the different types of infrastructure, different types of advanced facilities which is required in these sectors, and they are already providing in future also. હવે તો કદાચ સાંગરે જેના more and more people will come, then it is possible for the government also and for the private partners also to do the setup. If suppose आता 8 company जर हांगासर आयल्यो, okay, धरून चल, तांच्याकडे आनीक space ना न्ही. If they are doing one tie with the 6 months, now there is a one company from the foreign company, just now he has told, Netherlands company, he has done the tie with, now they'll require this premises for another 6 months, yeah, for the 1 year. So they can't spare. Maximum to maximum, the 6 company will come and they'll occupy this. When there is more company will approach, definitely they'll set up their business in somewhere in Mapsa, somewhere in Madgaon, somewhere in Bicholi. The same time, when if the more and more people will approach to the IT, then we can also start.